Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use ADO.NET to update records in a table. Or you can either update one record or you can update multiple records based on the condition in your where clause. Okay, so here we are updating only one record as we have set the where condition to ID. But if you want, you can also change that ID column to some other column name and you can update all the values, all the rows that meet your criteria. Okay, so before doing that, let me tell you that this is going to be an HTTP put request and what all a put does. Let me show you what all a put does. Okay, HTTP put. That's what we are going to um, add above our action result. So what does the put method do? It creates either a new resource or updates an existing record with the given payload or with the given data. Okay. Now, for example, we have data something like this that has an ID column 1002 and the student's name is Kamal, uh, age 28, address Africa. So I'm going to update the name of Kamal. Okay, I'm going to update it to Neelam. Now, if I do that, what is HTTP put going to do? HTTP put is going to change the name to Neelam, and also it will update the other column values depending upon our uh, query. Okay, so it's going to update all of them. Now, this is what happens in HTTP put. We use the update query or the update statement in case of HTTP put. Let's go ahead and see that in action. Alright, so our program is already running. I have the data here. So we have 1002 as Kamal. Let's try to change it with Neelam. Okay, let's first of all do with some wrong data. Okay, let's try to update the ID and see what happens. Record not found because it's trying to find the record using the ID. That's why it's not finding. Hence, no update. Okay, but if I go back to the previous value where it was 1002, I'm going to change it to Neelam and I execute that. It says record updated. Let's check that. Great, it did change the value. Okay, so that was about the update statement using ADO.NET. I'll put the code in the link, the GitHub code, and I hope you understand what HTTP put does. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.